Hi, Chandramouli here. So, how do you know that the end of the project is reached? So, the end of the project is reached when one or more of the following is true. Let me repeat, one or more of the following is true. Number one is the project's objectives have been achieved. So, a project consists of multiple objectives. So, when all those objectives are met, the project gets over. That's number one. Or the objective will not or cannot be met. So that means you set an objectives, in no way that objective can be met, then also the project is reached the end. Third one is funding is exhausted, you don't have the money, right? Or funding is no longer available for allocation to the projects, then project will come to an end. The fourth one is the human or physical resources are also no longer available. Then you don't have the people to execute the projects, then project comes to an end. And sometimes the project is also terminated for legal costs or convenience. And very last example, right? When project can be end of the project is reached, the need for the project is no longer exist. That means you have the people, you have the fund, you have the money, you have everything, but the need for which the project taken is no longer exist. So the customer no longer wants the project completed and he can close it, right? Maybe it may be because of the change in the strategy or priority of the projects, right? The organizational management provides direction to end the projects. So these are all the various reasons why a project can be closed. Here the key point is the end of the project is reached when one or more of the factors what we discussed is true. Thank you very much.